Well, hello everyone, and welcome to week 4. We are here in Concepts of Leadership and Management, and you are at the halfway mark this week. So let's take a look at what we have on hand. I typically go to modules. You can also just go to content up here, and all of the things on the left will appear. So here we are in module 4. So this week is fairly straightforward. Here are your learning objectives, and here are your activities. So your main grade will be on your literature review in this class, and it is important during this week where you don't have a portion of a paper due to get started on this literature review. Start acquiring articles for whatever CUSIN topic you chose. Start grouping them into themes like I explained last week, and start analyzing the results and look at how they compare and contrast with one another, and think about making an outline about how you're going to put all of this together in the paper. Looking for articles will take you more time than just acquiring the needed number, because you're going to have to see if the research is good, if the research is what you want it to be. And remember, these articles have to be within the last 5 years unless they are landmark or otherwise noted as foundational research. They need to be from nursing journals that are peer-reviewed. Remember that peer review is the hallmark of research, when it is reviewed by your peers and they've looked at it to see that methodology is correct, that the outcomes make sense, that the correct findings are following, and etc. Then that is the true hallmark of decent research. And then also they need to be from the United States. Articles from India, Turkey, etc. are not always applicable to nursing care in our country or community health, or leadership. So for this week, you've got to skim chapter 7 in your text and read chapter 8 and 11. Complete the exercise below, and you'll find that exercise right down here. And then you will have a discussion question. So this is a short little article I put in here on how to tell if this is a primary source. And because you're going to want to take this week to work ahead, look at activities on Module 5, and you'll see a lecture from Dr. Kelly Whittington that covered the composition of the literature review for our formal paper. And here is a sample paper that highlights many of the APA mandates. And I hope I have the right one, because we have switched to APA 7th edition. Oh my. Well, let me try that again. I know that's not in use. Okay. You know, this is not in APA 7th edition, so I will put the correct one in there, and then you will have the right one, and you can look at it for examples. So basically, this is kind of where we are. If you have any questions, you want to talk about your project, call me, text me. If you want to talk on the phone, it's best to shoot me an email or a text and set up a time, and that way you'll be sure to get me. I will return your call within 24 hours. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a good week.